Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate do while loop in Java. So let's get started. Do while loop falls under the looping statements category of the flow control statements in Java. So the second looping statement is nothing but the do while loop. In the previous session, I covered while loop, how to use the while loop, okay, and all I covered in the previous session. Now, in this session, I am going to cover the next looping statement, that is do while loop. But to understand this do while loop, we need to compare this with while loop, okay? The best way of learning do while loop is by comparing it with the while loop. Okay, so let me compare do while loop with while loop and understand this. Okay, so here let me write down the while loop. Okay, and here let me write down the do while loop. So by comparing the while loop with the do while loop, we can learn it. Okay, so here let me write down the while loop syntax. What's the while loop syntax? While, starting of the while loop, ending of the while loop, and here there will be a condition. Based on this condition, the while loop will run, okay, the number of times. Until this condition becomes false, the while loop will iterate, right? So here, statement 1, this is statement 2, and so on. You can have any number of statements inside this while loop. Now similarly, coming to this is while loop syntax. This is the syntax of the while loop. Now coming to the do while loop syntax. So coming to the do while loop syntax. So do while loop syntax will look something like this. First you have to write the do keyword, starting of the loop, ending of the loop, and this while condition will come at the end. While of condition. Okay, this is what is the syntax of the do while loop. Here we can have statement 1, statement 2, and so on. Okay, so this is the syntax of the do while loop. So let's compare the syntax of this while loop and do while loop here. So what is the syntax of the while loop and do while loop? In while loop, while condition is coming in the beginning. But in the do while loop, the while condition is coming at the end. In the beginning, do is there. So the main thing about the difference between the while loop and do while loop is if the condition is false, resulting in false for the first time, how many times this normal while loop will run? For the first time itself, the condition is false. For the first time itself, the condition is resulting in false. Then how many times this loop will iterate? 0 times. While false, what will happen? Will not go inside the while loop. For the first time itself, if the condition is false, we will not go inside the while loop. The while loop will not iterate even one time. But what about the do while loop? Are we checking the condition at the beginning of the loop? Is there any condition here after the do keyword here? No, right? In do while loop, there is no condition being checked in the beginning. So first iteration will happen no matter what. The first iteration will happen no matter what. Without checking any condition, the statements inside the do while loop will run one time for sure. But what if the condition is false? Then next iteration will not happen. But one iteration is happening. The condition is false for the first time itself. If the condition is false for the first time itself, the while loop will iterate how many times? 0 times. Okay, the condition is false, 0 time iteration. But if the condition is false for the first time, in the case of do while loop, one iteration will happen. Second iteration won't happen, but one iteration will happen. No matter what, whether the condition is false for the first time, if you want to run the loop for one time at least, then we have to go for the do while loop. Okay? While loop will run 0 times if the condition is false for the first time. What if the condition is true and after some time it is false? There is no difference between while or do while loop. They will run the same number of times. Okay, initially the condition is true, but later the condition is false, has become false. In case of while and do while loop, if that is happening, same number of iterations will happen with while loop and do while loop. There is no difference. But the difference only comes in case of if the condition is false for the first time itself. It's earlier not true. Okay, for the first time itself, the condition is false. 0 times iterations, 0 time it will iterate. This will iterate one time if the condition is false for the first time. That's what is the difference between while loop and do while loop. So when do we have to go for the do while loop? In place of the while loop, when do we have to go for the do while loop? If you want to iterate the loop at least once, despite of the condition is false. If you want to iterate the loop one time, at least, then we have to go for the do while loop. Okay. Such kind of situations when you encounter in real time while programming in Java, where you want to run the statements of code in that block of code of that loop at least one time. Okay. Even after the condition is false, you want to run it one time at least. Then you have to choose do while loop. Okay. But if the condition is false, you don't want to loop at all, then while loop is better. Okay, you want to loop at least once, despite of the condition is false for the first time, do while loop is better. Like that, depending on your requirements in real time, you have to either choose while loop or do while loop. But most of the cases, I have never seen people using do while loop in real time, guys. Okay, maybe very rare cases. Some people may have to use this do while loop, but most of the people will use while loop, guys. Okay, while loop is a common thing that most of the people use for iteration, but this very rare kind of situation where the people want the block of code inside the loop to run at least once despite of the condition is false. I never seen someone doing that. Okay, so that's what is the thing. But as part of learning, we need to learn, guys. You see, people will be asking in the interviews and all, like, what is the difference between while loop and do while loop? You should be able to explain it, and syntax wise, you have to write it. You may have to write a program also if required. Okay, so learning is important. We cannot skip the learning, but usage wise in real time, we never much get a chance to use do while loop in real time. Okay, fine. Anyhow, let me practically demonstrate with an example do while loop. Okay, so first I'll start with the while loop only, guys. Okay, I will write a normal program which will print the numbers from 1 to 10 using while loop first. Int I is equal to 1 while I is less than or equal to 10. This we already have written in the previous sessions. Okay, now system.out.println I. Then I'll say I plus plus. So this simple program of the while loop will print the numbers from 1 to 10 as we already have seen in the previous session. So, okay, there's an error. I have to put a semicolon here. I forgot. Run this code. You see 1 to 10 will be printed. That's all good. That's all great. Okay. Now, now the thing is that what if I give I is equal to 11, what will happen in this case? If I give int I is equal to 11, what will happen? I is 11. 11 less than or equal to 10. For the first time itself, the condition is resulting in false. I 11 is neither less than 10 or equal to 10. So the condition is false for the first time. So will the loop will run even one time? No. If I run this code, you will not get any output. You see, did you get any output here? I'll forcibly open the console here. You see blank console is there. You didn't get any output here. Nothing got printed in the output when I run this program because the condition was false for the first time. Okay. Now what if I convert this while loop into do while loop? So how to convert this while loop code into the do while loop? This while and condition, remove from here and put it here at the end of the loop. Okay. To convert the normal while loop into do while loop, add this while keyword and along with the condition at the end of the loop and put a semicolon here. And at the beginning of the loop, add the do keyword. Okay. Add do keyword at the beginning of the loop. This becomes a do while loop. Guys. This becomes a do while loop. Now here, I is equal to 11. So here condition is not checked, but it will print the value of I, that is 11 will be printed in the output console. I will become 12 and the condition is false. For the first time itself, the condition is false. So the loop has run how many times? Only one time. Okay. So even despite of the condition is false for the first time, the loop has executed or run one time. This is what is a difference between the while loop and do while loop. Now you will say that, what if I is 1? Same condition is there. How many times this loop will iterate? Similar to the while loop. Okay. In this case, there is no difference between the while loop and do while loop, guys. If I run this code, what will happen? 1 to 10 will be printed. Okay. Whether you use while loop or do while loop. In case of positive to negative, initially the condition will be true. Afterwards, the condition becomes false. The same number of iterations will happen. There is no difference between while loop and do while loop. You see 1 to 10 got printed. Okay. So that's all for this session, guys. Hope you understood what exactly is do while loop. To understand the do while loop, we need to actually compare with while loop and learn. Whenever you are learning do while loop in Java, you have to better compare this do while loop in with while loop and learn and understand the actual differences and use it. Okay, syntax wise, how to understand the differences and usage wise, how to understand the difference. I covered in this session with practical demonstration I did in this session and explained in this session. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.